Meet the GS-617H with 4 smart modes for every need. Gentle mode stays at a safe 30 to 37 degrees centigrade for kids' sensitive scalps. Our smart sensor keeps a perfect 50 cm distance and even up close. It stays safe. GS-617H, gentle drying with smart protection. Care mode, 37 to 45 degrees centigrade, warm and gentle for daily comfort. Styling mode, 45 to 53 degrees centigrade, perfect heat for gray hair. Drying mode, 53 to 62 degrees centigrade, when speed matters most. One dryer, 4 smart solutions. Upgrade now, smart drying for every need. Contact us for bulk orders now.